Hi everyone, I'm not going to waste your time with a real long video tonight. Basically, the market looks great. I know we're riling on below average volume on the NASDAQ and on the New York Stock Exchange. But don't fight the trend of price. Low volume hasn't mattered, continues not to matter, and as long as we got good charts, we are good. So let's go ahead and get in first into the sells. I do have one for sure sell, TARO. This is going to be a 33% sell with the close below the 10-day moving average, and even though it's not below the 20 or 50-day moving average, too big of reversal in the previous gains that we had. You could go ahead and go 50%. What I'm going to do is automatically a new sell stop order will be put right below here for half of it, and then obviously the rest of the half of it will be with the close below the lower day of the signal date. So I'm going to go ahead and give this stock a chance to prove itself. CBPO also huge intraday reversal, came pretty close to hitting some on the book sell stop orders, but it did not. It missed them. Great reversal and great strong close. It managed to actually close above the 10-day moving average. So this one's up in the air. If you want to, you can sell some. If not, you don't need to, but it's still about 10-day moving average. Me, I'm going to go ahead and take 20% of it off just because there's so many stocks that look like they have no flaws in it and so many good solid setups that there's just no point in to waste time with stocks that show some funny action. But based on like how AGIO acted today, never panic sell. Sold 50% by proxy because it's such a huge volume sell below 10, 20-day moving average. But nice return. So CBPO, I wouldn't sell it all, sell 50 or anything. 25% would be the most you could do. I'm going to go ahead and just do 20% just to lock in a little bit of gains. I don't know how crazy this stock's going to go, and I'll raise up my sell stop orders. Besides that, no other sells. We got 4 new long positions. First one I'm going to go over is UA, Under Armour. Under Armour is breaking out above the 50-day moving average. That's a long signal when it's a perfect speculator or pre-perfect speculator scan stock like this one is. Also can slim. If we're wrong, obviously, sell stops below the lower day of today and sell stops below the lower day on Friday, and that's it. Moves below that, you're out. So UA, 2.5%. Baidu, 2.5% long position with the breakout to new highs. First order sell stops below today's lower day, and then you can use this support right here, 233 as your final sell stop. Or if you really are brave and want to really give it a chance to pull back intraday and not get shaken out, you can use the 222 level. But either way, any of those will work. So Baidu, 2.5%. Then we also have SAIA. I was thinking about going along that stock back here on the 4th. Decided not to. Now it looks like it's good to go. It's not the best looking stock, but its longer term chart pattern is extremely bullish. This is going to be a perfect speculator stock soon enough, but it needs to hit new highs before it does that. But it's a pretty perfect speculator scan stock. Also can slim. We don't risk much if we're long. You can cut your loss. Have a sell stop below these lows, below those lows. I prefer these, to be honest with you, the 48.77 level, and then maybe below these lows at 51.08, but this is going to be a 2.5% position also. And then TEDU, Terena International. This is a Chinese stock, strong, solid numbers. The only thing I don't like is that I saw mutual fund ownership actually declined in the most recent reporting period. Not good. But following back-to-back pocket pivot point signals, it's actually now breaking out above the resistance and closing strongly at the high day. Long signal on RN. If you're wrong, you can use the lower day of today, but me, I'm going to use the ultimate oh shit sell stops, and so we'll be putting them probably right around 1282 and 1261 will be my sell stop, levels on that. So those are the new long positions. The ones I'm passing on: CCRN, passing; Coop, passing; MTX, passing; TTGT, passing. Just not long enough basis that they're coming out at. Buy stops. I think I want to go ahead and put a buy stop above the 50-day moving average on Tesla. RDWR, it continues to go sideways. I want to put one on that. ManH is one that's just now showing up. I think buy stops need to go on that one. ALXN, potentially. We'll see. WDAY, buy stops can now start to be put on this one just above recent resistance. And then some speculative stocks I'm watching, maybe to put buy stops on. MRCY, ATTU, and then LOGI also. So LOGI, ATTU, and then MRCY. As you can see, Y, a lot of accumulation, a lot of green bop in all 3 of these. So that's it. I'm going to go and wrap it up here. Have a great rest of your Monday, and I will see you on Tuesday. Aloha.